Hello everyone. I'll make a video. Let's start now. Good, yeah. Choose your guy. Then player one.
One player. Okay, this is good.
Okay.
I think
So you got chicken, huh?
I think
Okay. Let's see now. You want to know man.
okay. Easy.
Okay, let's start.
So let's see.
Okay, tap to continue. Score 3 goals. That's the ball one.
Oh. No, what to score?
Oh yeah, score.
It's correct, man.
Score jump.
No.
Ah yeah. God.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. No.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm gonna score for you.
But I score for you.
No way, bro. I need to do some. Yeah,
No.
Let's try again then. Oh, yeah.
No.
Good score. That's a good score. No.
Okay.
You won.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. Okay. Yeah.
Selamat dalam itu guys.
Yeah.
Well played.
Okay, let's do this. Oh no.
Oh, thank you.
No. Wait, let's go. Come on.
Come on.
Grab the chance. Oh. Let's go in the world. Okay.
No, stop, go. Come on. Okay. Cause I fuck this.
Okay, let's try it on. And bounce.
Bye.
Mana?
Thank you.
My God. Okay.
And then.
Oh my God. No.
No! Where am I going? Thank you, brother.
Oh my God.
And
Jump.
Sit. He jumped the ball.
Okay.
Score. Yeah. I have 2 by the way, guys. But yeah.
No.
Let's take one up. What I fly?
Okay.
Wait, thank you. When did we get a double? No.
Come on. I got this.
Yeah. Come on. Come on, back.
Okay. No. Okay. Jump.
No.
Okay. Now I gotta be serious.
And that boom.
No.
Yes. Yeah. Jump. Yes.
Okay. No.
Come on. No.
This ball, you didn't own this ball.
I own the ball. Are you done
We wanna go. Okay. 2v2, huh?
Okay.
I'll do it later. Let's see.
Boom. Jump.
No.
What is called for me, brother? I'm gonna go. Am I a goal? Guys,
Yeah.
am I a goal? No.
Yeah.
No. Can you think? Oh, this is gonna be a hard.
Okay. Yeah, so goodbye. So we're gonna end the video right there.
No. And then
Oh, one more round. Okay. Let's do one more round. One more round. Okay.
and then after this one, we are gonna play a different game.
No, we're gonna end the video.
No.
Okay.
Why are you have a game?
No.
No, there was a trick. Thank you, brother.
Can the balls that just explode? What? Why did I jump at the last? Yeah, 10 seconds.
Nope, I'm gonna lose.
No. Yeah. No. One turn left.
You're gonna lose.
Okay, guys, this is the video ends soon. Like and subscribe so we can do this to you later. This is a little known video one. So, see you next time.